Hi everyone, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add Apple Pay to your Shopify store easily in this tutorial. So first of all guys, open up your Shopify store. And then you have to click on settings at the bottom left corner. And then you guys need to click on payments. So for me guys, I don't have Apple Pay as an option because it's not available in my country. You can go to the supported payment methods and click on a payment method from over here and search for Apple Pay. And if you didn't find it, then just go back and click on payment providers and click on choose a provider from over here. And just scroll down until you will find a lot of payments providers that provide Apple Pay as an option. And as you can see, for example, you have First Data Paysy. Also there's this one, Ignic Payments. We also have Stripe, as you guys can see. So if you have Stripe, for example, just select Stripe and you just need to log in into your Stripe account and connect it to your Shopify store. And then you guys will be able to accept Apple Pay. So guys, that is basically how you can add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Take care until next time.